Yo, what's good? It's my first time making a video like this. It's like a tutorial video how to sound like new wave rap, sound like me type shit. So first, I'm gonna play my vocals. Then I'm gonna put it with the beat. See if y'all fuck with it. See if this what you really trying to sound like. I'm tryna make something with the racks, they like, come and gon' get them stacks, they like, hell, you so tough. You finna run your bag up, I'm finna put my stats up. I'm finna run to the bed like what? Run to the bed like track, put that little nigga on the map. Will I be without my slack? Left my slut cause she want them racks. Call us 100 cause we making hundreds. That boy, you say how he running. This shit, man, the way we rushing. Your nigga a cornball bed, we'll punt him. I'm tryna make something with the racks, they like, come and gon' get them stacks, they like, hell, you so tough. You finna run your bag up, I'm finna put my stats up. I'm finna run to the bed like what? Run to the bed like track, put that little nigga on the map. Will I be without my slack? Left my slut cause she want them racks. Call us 100 cause we making hundreds. That boy, you say how he running. This shit, man, the way we rush. Your nigga a cornball bed, we'll punt him. So yeah, that's that. What I be doing for my shit, I be putting in these ad-libs, like this yellow one. For this yellow one, I'll be making like a weird ass sound. And this shit got a nice ass echo on it. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. I be doing that and shit. And also, fuck, I got this preset that I'll be using to layer my vocals. I'll let y'all hear that. I'm tryna make something with the racks. They like, come and get them stacks. They like, hey, you so tough. You finna run your bag up. I'm finna put my stats up. I'm finna run to the bed like that. Run to the bed like track. Put a little nigga on the back. Bro, I be without my side. Live my second, some money in the racks. Yeah, that's that one. The only bad part about that one is like it got like an annoying ass sound that be lasting like long as hell. And sometimes if you don't like edit your song, that shit would make your song last like 40 seconds extra. That's the only bad part about that. But then I be putting backup vocals just to put like after I say something, like I just repeat it a couple seconds after. I'm tryna make something with the racks, they like, come and gon' get them stacks, they like, hell, you so tough. You finna run your bag up, I'm finna put my stats up. I'm finna run to the bed like what? Run to the bed like track, put that little nigga on the map. Will I be without my slack? Left my slut cause she want them racks. Call us 100 cause we making hundreds. That boy, you say how he running. This shit, man, the way we rushing. Your nigga a cornball bed, we'll punt. Yeah, that's that. Fucking down here, I like cut the beat up so it got that like that in and out effect. And it's the first time I did this. I like put it so that way you can hear it. You can hear certain parts like in the left ear and the right ear. Like, yeah, it's my first time doing that. I even do it again, just normally. Like, you can hear it. I just be splitting that bitch up. Just be splitting it up, makes it sound cool, makes it sound better. Yeah. If y'all want the presets, let me know. I'll just give them to y'all. I'll drop this shit. Yeah, this one a Jay's preset. So I got like his main vocals, layers, all that shit. But like my advice to y'all, like where I seen improvement, like I would add stutters in my vocals, and like I call it the stutter beat. Like I stutter the beat up, give it that in and out effect, and like mess around, bro. Mess around with the beat, cut it up, type shit. Like I'm gonna put it with the vocals so y'all hear how it sound. Can't give a fuck if y'all been I'm tryna make something with the racks. They like come and gon' get them stacks. They like how you so tough. You finna run your bag up. I'm finna put my stats up. I'm finna run to the bed like what? Run to the bed like track. Put that little nigga on the map. Like be without my sack. Left my slut cause she want them racks. Call us 100 cause we making hundreds. That boy you say how you running. This shit man the way we run. You nigga a cornball bed won't pun him. I'm tryna make something with the racks. They like come and gon' get them stacks. They like how you so tough. You finna run your bag up. I'm finna put my stats up. I'm finna run to the bed like what? Run to the bed like track. Put that little nigga on the map. Like be without my sack. Left my sack cause she want them racks. Call us 100 cause we making hundreds. That boy you say how you running. This shit man the way we run. You nigga a cornball bed won't pun him. Yeah, that's that. I think that's really all I got. I could show y'all another song, but I don't even know how well this video about to do. So, depending on how well this does, I'll give y'all the presets. And I'll give y'all like more examples with other songs I made and shit. But hey, y'all want the presets, let me know. I'll make another video just for that, giving y'all them shits. And yeah, I'm out.